you won't be in the dugout tomorrow night. So if I could just ask what the plan is in terms of your team and how you're planning to tackle that.
Yeah, I cannot get involved due to the rules. It's no problem. We had Pete once before with Iceland, so the communication, we can't communicate. But it's not an issue whatsoever. I get to see the game from a good view. So that's going to be different for me. We have more than capable people with us as staff. And if I'm being honest, a lot of the work's done. Whatever we need to do to adapt, we've already been prepared for already. So something might throw up something different in the game. But yeah, I'll be very limited on what I'm going to be able to get across.
You're going to be like Luis Enrique and starting to watch games from up high, because it's a good viewpoint.
Unbelievable, and such a smart move. Like, I always get envious of other sports and their coaches. It's normal for them to be up in the stands. It's not quite our way in our culture in football, but I think once you've won a European Cup, you can decide what you want to do. So we sort of all say, if it works, then. But yeah, I understand it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to tomorrow. So and I got a good view for it as well.